With Austin's product and his business, Billetworkz, I saw that his quality was perfect. I never had any issues with imperfections on if it came to paint in a custom color, if it came to fitment, installing it, and then his creativity, you can just see, I've watched him actually create some of his product, and the creativity, the engineering, and just the integrity and intelligence that he has really shows for, and that's kind of what led me to let me push away from other products out on the market and let me try his product. So on my WRX, my 2020 WRX, I actually bought the e-brake handle, I bought the e-brake button, I bought his climate control colors, which I went with an all black to fit my interior. I also purchased his short throw shifter. I got a shift knob from him. I went with a customization color, white, to kind of match the color of the car. And I also then got the gloss black color for the actual housing of the short throw shifter. I saw that Austin's business, Billetworkz, was very big in the Subaru community. And we've always had talks back and forth about me purchasing a Subaru just so that I can then explore and kind of expand my aftermarket support in his products. But here I am now. I have owned a WRX now. I have most of his products on here, and from here on out, I probably will challenge Austin in creating more customization parts and products.